In this video, we show you how to use Spike to perform a partially loaded foot measurement while seated from behind. The patient sits down on the bench and places his relaxed foot on the measuring area with the lower leg positioned vertical, approximately 90 degrees to the ground, and the foot sole resting flat. The measuring person grips the foot from behind under the seat and corrects it into the desired position. He makes sure that the sole of the foot rests completely on the measuring area. Then he fixes it with one hand in the area of the big toe from above. With the other hand, he brings the heel into the corrected position. He makes sure that the sole of the foot rests on the measuring area. Now the measuring person starts the measurement. He holds the patient's foot in position during the entire time. The foot should not move. The patient feels the sole of the foot being scanned by the specially set pressure with the more than 1,000 upward moving pins. Soft tissues and bony regions on the foot result in the perfect footprint in the corrected posture. Thank you for your attention.